Hi, I'm Hayden.
Hi, I'm Melody.
And we are the
These Kids.
And today we are going to be riding Avatar Flight of Passage. But before we do this ride, I just want to point out this ride has the longest wait in all of Disney World. Just to let you know, the waits can get up to like 200 minutes and it's super long. Just to prepare you, you want to get a fast pass for this. But let's go and ride it. Avatar Flight of Passage is a 3D simulator ride located in the Pandora section of Disney's Animal Kingdom. The ride opened on May 27, 2017.
The ride is based on the movie Avatar. You fly on the back of a Banshee across the Valley of Moara on the Na'vi alien planet. You fly over water, dusty trails, into caves, and through the forest canopy.
As a 3D motion simulator, it is very thrilling and intense. People that get motion sickness may consider skipping this ride. There is a 44-inch height requirement, and this is handicapped accessible for guests that can transfer to the seat of the vehicle.
In some ways, this is similar to Soarin. However, there are additional sensory details to fully immerse you in the ride experience. You feel the wind as you swoop in the air, and the water as you cross the waves. There are 2 pre-shows before the ride starts.
This is one of the longest wait times in all of Disney World. Standby times over 3 hours long are really common. A fast pass is very strongly suggested. If you can't get one, rope drop this at park opening. At the very start of the day, wait times may only be an hour or 90 minutes. Now join the Diz Kids as we ride Avatar Flight of Passage.
to rate Avatar Flight of Passage from A to F. So, Melody, what's your grade for this?
Mine's an A+. It was a great ride. It's so amazing, but if you're afraid of heights, or if you have motion sickness, I suggest not riding this ride if it's too intense.
My grade is an A+. It's absolutely awesome. And what she said, if you're afraid of heights or motion sickness, you probably might throw up. But other than, leave your comment down below of what your grade is. And make sure to like and subscribe to this video. And we'll see you guys next time on the Diz Kids.